This is times, c'est multiplier, le signe multiplier. Thank you. And this is plus. This is minus, right? Okay, guys. Today, we are all together going to learn how to multiply, divide, to add, and to subtract. Okay? It's going to be really easy because Nicole is a teacher in the United States of America. So, Nicole, we are going to be able, once we have finished the video, to basically say in English without any mistakes 2 plus 2 equals 4. And all these operations?
Yes.
Operations, comme en français, ces opérations. Nicole is going to help us, of course. But beforehand, guys, si vous ne l'avez pas encore fait, il reste encore 2 sessions pour la formation gratuite qui aura lieu sur Internet. Donc, c'est mardi. Vous voyez, j'ai encore besoin de mon papier puisque ma mémoire, c'est celle d'un poisson rouge. Mardi à 15h, donc c'est l'après-midi, et jeudi à 20h. Donc, on va parler compréhension, prononciation et évidemment pratique de l'anglais. Cette formation, elle s'intitule Le plan précis pour parler anglais dans les semaines qui viennent. Les places sont limitées, donc inscrivez-vous seulement soit à la session de mardi, soit à la session de jeudi. Si vous préférez 15h mardi, prenez mardi. Si vous préférez 20h jeudi, prenez 20h jeudi. Mais prenez pas 2 places parce que sinon vous allez empêcher quelqu'un de venir. Comme à chaque fois, je suis obligé de refuser des inscriptions. Le nombre de places étant limité à 150. Pour vous inscrire, c'est en haut à droite ou juste en dessous dans la vidéo. Thank you very much, Nicole. Well, I was wondering, Nicole, how much is 2 plus 2 in English?
2 plus 2 equals 4.
Equal?
Equals.
Equals. Troisième personne, présent, simple.
Equals.
So, of course, I lost my marker, but anyway. Equals. No, okay. Don't worry, I'm going to get this one. Equals. Please, you must remember this one, okay? To add, accourt, subtract, okay? Le stress, l'accent tonique, il est sur la deuxième partie. Subtract. Multiply. Cette fois sur la première partie. Et là, c'est sur la deuxième partie. Divide. Diviser, multiplier, soustraire, ajouter. Please go ahead, Nicole.
Okay. 4 minus 2 equals 2.
Okay. Easy.
Minus.
Minus or minus?
Minus.
Okay. First part.
Yeah, minus.
The stress is on the first part. Right here. Okay, guys?
Okay. 60 minus 16 is 44.
Are you sure?
J'espère.
So 60 minus 16. Oh, no, 16? I'm confused.
60 minus 16.
Ils l'ont. 16. Parce que si vous dites 16, avec un i court, on va comprendre 60 à tous les coups.
Equals 44.
So 60 minus 16 equals 44, right?
Yes.
Okay. We are good now. We are good so far.
4 times 4 equals 16. So we usually say 4 times 4, not 4 multiplied by 4.
4 times.
Yeah.
Like the newspaper?
Yeah. We like short ways of saying things, so 4 times 4.
Like the newspaper, right?
Yes. Times. Like that.
Ok. Donc c'est multiplier. 4 multiplié par 4. 4 times 4. Not 4 times by 4.
Yes.
This is not French, guy. This is English.
Okay. 25 times 10 equals 2.5 or 2.
No, equal. No, multiply.
25 times 10. Oh, I'm sorry.
I was even wondering, am I wrong or not?
Can you cut it out? Can you cut that part out?
No, we don't have to cut that part
Okay.
out. So you can see how authentic we try
Yeah,
to be.
je suis
And
un peu fatiguée.
okay,
25,
it happens even to teachers.
Yes. 25 times 10 is 250.
May I say 250?
Yes, you can say both.
Ok? Les deux, ça marche. 250 or 250.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much, Nicole.
You're welcome. Voilà.
So this one,
25 divided by 10 is 2.5 or 2 5/10.
wow, this one is complicated.
Yeah.
Okay. 2.5, c'est pas 2,5. Le virgule pour les decimals, accent tonique sur la first part, decimals et non pas decimals, mais decimals. Je répète, oui, je radote, je sais. Decimals. C'est un point, ce n'est pas, je sais que c'est hyper contre-intuitif, c'est un point, ok?
Yeah.
C'est pas une virgule. Et par contre, en plus, les anglophones rajoutent quelque chose, c'est ils rajoutent une virgule pour séparer les milliers. Donc ça, c'est en français 1000,5. OK? Ça, c'est votre virgule. Ça, c'est votre virgule. Et ça sert à séparer les milliers. Et nous, on l'a pas en français. Can you please... I don't know how to say that in English.
1,000.5.
1,000.5?
Or 1,000 and a half.
And a half.
Could
And
be
a half. And not and a half. OK?
Yeah, half.
Prononcez pas le L.
Yeah.
Half. Et c'est un... Allons. Half. OK, guys? Thank you
And
very
I
much.
wanted to say for division, we also use, you could say 25 divided by 10 like that. You can say 25 divided by 10. You can also say like that. So we use all
this
of
one?
these kinds. Yeah.
OK.
Yeah, we
Okay.
use all of them pretty equally.
But using this one, you have to reverse
Yeah,
You have to
25
reverse,
divided
sorry.
by, yeah.
everything. You have to reverse. OK, nice. Thank you very much.
4 divided by 4 is 1 or equals 1. We say is as well, but let's keep it with equals.
OK, I'm wondering, is it 1 like this, or like this? In American English. OK, ça c'est 1.
American, yeah.
And this is 7? I'm wrong? Oh, I must
Some
be.
parts, yeah. Some parts of the United States it's this, but in books and things like that, you want this 7. You want to recognize this as 7.
So basically, look at this, guys. This is 17.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much. So now I would like to ask you something, guys. You've got all these, basically, these are like questions for you.
Yep.
And
Equations.
please, equations. And I want you to fill in the blanks right here. This one, for tomorrow. So you're gonna have a little bit of time, okay, to fill in the blanks. Use, of course, your brain, but you have to use what we have just talked about. So you got everything you need right here. You can replay the video if you want to, and please try to fill in the blanks. And tomorrow we are gonna complete everything. Okay?
Good luck.
I hope you like it, guys. See you tomorrow then. Bye bye.